Hi! For this week, we're going to learn more things about shopping. We're going to focus on the past. Let's start. Whenever we're talking about the past tense, it is important that we start with the basics, which is the verb to be. So, for example, in present, we can say, I am happy. And in past, we would say, I was happy. So, the past tense of am would be was. She is here. The past tense would be she was here. They are in the mall, and the past tense would be were. They were in the mall. Okay? Summarizing, for I, he, she, and it, we're going to use was, and for we, you, and they, we're going to use were. It is important that you memorize this part. Whenever we are asked questions, it is important that we know how to answer them. Here we have some examples. When we have a statement, for example, when she was at the mall, the question would be, was she at the mall? And if you see, the only thing we're doing here is inverting. Was becomes the first word, she becomes the second word, and the complement stays the same. She was at the mall. Was she at the mall? And the answer, the short answer, could be yes, she was, or no, she wasn't. You have to follow the same pattern for any question. Here is another example. They were together, and the question would be, were they together? We would answer, yes, they were, or no, they were not. The contraction of were not is weren't. So we could also say, no, we weren't. Or no, they weren't. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this? He was at home, and in this case we have they and at school. So yes, you would have to say they were at school. If you see, this is pretty easy. Okay, and that would be it. Only remember the summary that we have in the previous slide. Okay. Was for I, he, she, and it, and were for you, we, and they. Just remember that. Thanks.